Hi, I'm Adrian and this is the Urbex Wonderland, a new channel dedicated to the exploration of abandoned places. I've been an urban explorer since 2011 after taking a trip to Chernobyl. I fell in love with the concept: explore, discover the history, take nothing, and leave only your footprints behind. Over the coming weeks and months, I'll be taking you with me as we explore some captivating locations, uncovering their history and trying to understand why they were abandoned. All the photographs taken throughout the series are shot on 35mm film and developed by me at home. In episode 1, we explore a lost chapel hidden in the undergrowth somewhere in rural England. Founded in the early 1800s, it's likely this isn't the original building. At some point in the last 200 years, it's been rebuilt or had some major renovations. One for the old Instagram. I'm having to be really quiet. The windows don't close properly and the building's old. It's not exactly soundproof, and it is very close to someone's house, so gotta be careful. Incredibly, this organ still sits here untouched. Bell Piano and Organ Company was established in 1864 in Guelph, West Canada. They continued making organs until 1934, when the company was sold to Lesage Pianos. As you would expect in a chapel, there was lots of books lying around, songbooks and loads of Bibles. I photographed this one as I found it. This window is so beautiful, and not just for its design. The ivy's found a gap between the two window panes and is now growing inside the chapel. One of the things that I love most about urban exploration is learning about the history of the property or the person who lived there. You just don't know what you're going to find. And in this case, I found a newspaper dating back to August the 19th, 2000. These numeric cards could be up to 100 years old, so I wanted to do something symbolic with them. I used the cards to date the photograph. 2012, time stood still for this chapel. I did lots of research online to try and find out why it closed, and I couldn't find anything. In my opinion, I think a declining number of attendees caused this chapel to close. It would have meant donations would have dried up, and ultimately the chapel ran out of money. There is one thing I did find during my online search, an email address belonging to the secretary of the chapel. I sent them an email, and to date, I've not received a response.